I have a 2013 Nissan Titan, and I got the Traxion 5-100 model tailgate ladder to make it easier for me to get into and out of the bed of my truck. The parts are solid. It comes with a mounting bracket, hardware for mounting, connector arms, a useless advertisement, and the ladder itself. I marked a line on my tailgate where I knew clearance would be good. Then I laid out the mounting bracket using that clearance line, and I marked the holes with a screw where I thought that I would install the mounting screws. I then proceeded to drill and quickly learned that the location of some of my holes was not going to work. I'll explain that in a minute. So I moved on to other locations and drilled and installed the mounting screws. Originally, I was going to install screws at these locations. But apparently in the 2013 Nissan Titan, there is a support beam that runs along here that made installing the screws here problematic. So I moved to these holes and ended up with screws at these locations. But it's secure. Next, I installed the connecting arms, which requires simply installing the quick release pins. Then I assembled the ladder by installing the bolts. I then connected the ladder to the connector arms using the bolts supplied, made sure that the connector arms and ladder were set such that the arms were level, and then used a 3/8 inch socket and pliers to tighten all the bolts. The strap to hold the ladder in place mounts through the existing screws that mount my bed liner. I could mount it here, but I feel like that would allow the ladder to slide around and rattle too much. So I'm going to mount it through these other screws to hold the ladder at the corner to reduce side-to-side movement. I removed the bed liner screws and fed the strap through them and tightened them down. This allowed me to strap the ladder tightly and minimizes movement. With the ladder deployed, I can now easily climb into and out of my truck bed. If I ever need to remove the ladder, I just unstrap it, pull the pins, and move it out of the way, leaving me a clean surface for working or loading things.